And welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unlock the KOGOT-7 in the new Call of Duty Warzone Black Ops 7. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So if you guys want to go ahead and find out how to unlock the KOGOT-7, make sure you watch the video up until the end. But anyways, let's get straight into it. So in order to unlock the KOGOT-7, you can first make your way over to the Weapons tab. From here, go over to Loadouts, then go over to a custom loadout of your choice. From here, go over to SMGs and then look for the KOGOT-7. It says Active Armory Challenge. So what you pretty much need to do is you need to go ahead and activate the challenge, and then you can go ahead and see that the challenge is getting 250,000 XP. So you pretty much just need to get 250,000 XP, and once you get that XP, after it says currently active, you will unlock the gun. And that should be pretty much it. You can also view it in the armory if you want, and over here it will tell you which challenge you actually have currently active. So for example, I previously had this sniper active, but whatever, now I have this one active, so I need to get 250,000 XP, and once I get that XP, I will be able to unlock the KOGOT-7. So that should pretty much be. You can also get it by getting, I'm pretty sure, this bundle or whatever, but if you don't want to pay, you just do it the free way. And yeah, that should be pretty much it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.